Hey there. So your offer might be the reason why you're stuck. Your offer and your service, how do you put things together? So have you ever poured your heart into your program only to hear crickets on your launch day, or maybe watch your once top selling offer fall flat? I've had that happen. My name is Tanisha Molden. I am an attorney and I work with small and medium sized businesses, helping them build their brand and protect their intellectual properties. So everything I just said, that you are totally not alone. It happens to everyone. And the market has changed a lot in the past couple of years. And this is one of the things that I love to help brands and business owners and entrepreneurs, especially first time entrepreneurs, do. Let's talk about why your offer might be the thing keeping you stuck. You've probably done all the things, built the course, showed up consistently, and even followed a 10 step, 20 step launch plan, and still it's crickets. Or maybe you used to sell in the line, now you barely get clicks. I want to say that you are not alone. I see this a lot, even with myself, and I really had to change up things. And you are not doing anything wrong, but your offer, it might be outdated. And that's the shift that we're going to talk about. So have you ever launched something with your full part and got silent? Or maybe your program still sells, but you are working double to get half the results. If your offer hasn't evolved since about 2022, which wasn't that long ago, but in marketing and business, it was that long ago, there's a good chance it's no longer aligned with what your audience or your avatar or your clients will buy today. That doesn't mean throw it away, but it does mean we need to modernize it with structure, with strategy, and with protection. Your offer is outdated. Your sales are inconsistent or declining. You're attracting the wrong people or people who ghost you after your initial call. You get lots of, I need to think about it, or that feels expensive. This happens when your offer is built on a different market. Buyers have changed. Today, they're buying outcome. They're buying alignment. They're buying identity. They're buying safety. This is especially true for first generation entrepreneurs and women of color who've been burned before by not aligning our offers to not only our values, to the values of our audience. We don't want to buy fluff because I'm a buyer too. We want to buy clarity and care. Clarity and care. And this is one of the things that I try to do a lot of when I redesign my offer from my legal services, from providing just transactional services to more mentoring and coaching to provide that clarity to help businesses grow in this way. So what does a modern offer look like in this year? A modern offer is more than just a course or a service package. It is a system designed with three things. Client identity in mind, you must be very clear on who your client is. Does your offer reflect who they are becoming? It has to be clear, structured delivery. Third, safety and trust. Does your offer feel legit? Is it protected? Is it transparent? So we're moving from offers that are time-based promises to more identity-based outcomes, and getting from X in 30 days to become the kind of person who owns the result. So again, from all access to everything to more curated, guided outcomes for clients, and also from hustle heavy launches to more evergreen, and you want to provide more high integrity delivery. So I really go deep into this in my modern offer course, which is the first foundational introduction to working with me. And that is something that we definitely work on to build the brand. How can we build a high integrity delivery that's aligned with you, the business owner, and your vision? And that's where you help, I believe, will help you shift from random content to more revenue aligned, ownership ready systems. How do we do legal plus strategy protection? I think that equals sustainable growth. So your legal plus your strategic protection equals sustainable growth. And we want to modernize your offer, but that does not mean you need to start over. It does mean that you need to secure maybe a program name or your logo. That means a trademark. It does mean protecting your processes, protecting your slides, protecting your checklist. Have a clear refund policy, access, scope of policies that goes into contracts. The legal and strategic protection still does not go anywhere, but your offer is an asset. And this is one of the things that I want more entrepreneurs to know, especially first generation entrepreneurs. Your offer is part of your brand, part of your legacy. And if you're selling it without protection, you're building with a leaky bucket. And we don't want a leaky bucket. So this is something that my firm, we do help protect. Want to keep all of the revenue inside. When you pivot, you want to polish. You don't always need to burn it all down and start all over. We just make tweaks. And sometimes your offer just needs little adjustments to bring it up to date and get the right clients that you want. A new name that reflects who your offer is for now, updated onboarding that makes people feel more support, and of course, pricing that reflects your value and your new delivery model. You're not erasing anything. If you're feeling like this message has resonated with you or you have questions about it, feel free to leave a comment, subscribe to my channel so you can get the updated information. And of course, if you want to work with me and my firm, there's a link to do that too. Or join the next webinar to find out more about how we work with clients and how we help you build your business, protect your brand, and everything.